Hi everyone, my name is Jifeng Sun and I'm a finance major here. I'm a senior. The country I'm assigned to present is Bolivia and I'm the number 2 speaker. So today my present will include major industry, low or high context language, uncertainty avoidance, and individual lessons or collective visions. First, let's talk about major industries. It includes industry, agriculture, and tourism. So for industry, the main industry are food, textile, wine, cigarettes, and other producing industries. In 2010, the output value of producing industries account for about 80.89% of the GDP. The output value of energy and mine account for about 30.48% of the GDP, and the construction industry account for 3.71%. For agriculture, they are not very developed. The country's arable land area is 34,000 square kilometers, accounting for about 3% of the country's land area. In 2010, the country's land area was 2.96 million hectares. Food production can only meet 34% of domestic demand, and the rest depend on imports. But they have done a great job in the travel industry. Bolivia currently has 836 hotels of all levels with reception capacity, with more than 30,000 beds. In 2010, it received 371,200 foreign tourists and earned $314 million in foreign exchange income. Most of tourists came from the United States, Brazil, and Western European countries. In Bolivia, people use high context. In the state, even people are charged don't socialize. But in Bolivia, you can show up late and still come in talking to people. For example, even in weddings, people can show up late. I think the reason for that is because they are highly collective vision and they care about people around them. High context usually does not hurt other people because of language. Bolivia scores a very low 10 for individual lessons, indicating that there are high degrees of collective visions, as I just mentioned. Their high context may come from influence of collisions. In their thinking, loyalty is paramount. It may be more important than most social rules. If one makes a mistake but is good for loyalty, they will not be ashamed of it. Each of them is responsible for protecting the team or any members of the group. Finally, Bolivia scored 87 points for uncertainty avoidance, which shows that there are high degrees of uncertainty avoidance. Therefore, they are unwilling to accept changing. At the same time, they strictly abide by their beliefs and behaviors and reject other ideas. They need strict rules and law to avoid uncertainty. So that is pretty much about my speech. Thank you.